like the garden because I like to eat yummy food. So put the seed in, it grows into a little sprout, it gets bigger, big leaves on it, and it gets a little bit bigger. It starts to sprout, and it becomes a watermelon you can eat.
What do plants do?
Oxygen for us to breathe, and yummy food for us to eat. My favorite vegetable is carrots. My favorite fruit is strawberries. You can buy watermelon starts at the store, or you can buy watermelon seed at the store.
Right, and what are we going to do with those today?
I'm gonna plant both. Cover this up. Then we dump this all out in here.
And what do plants need to grow?
Water and soil. First, we're gonna scoop this in with dirt and put it down on it. Scoop it. Oh, we have a sprout right here.
All right.
Scoop some dirt, put it down on it.
Okay, now what have you got planted there? What are those two plants?
Watermelons.
Yeah. Do you like watermelon?
They're good and sweet.
That's right. Those are sweet crimson watermelon.
Yeah.
And so what do you have here under the dirt? Do you have some holes ready for them?
Yep.
Okay.
I put water in them first.
You put some water in the holes first?
So here you go. I'm gonna throw it to you and catch it. Catch it. There's a lot of seeds in here.
Cover it up.
It's gonna make a big watermelon. Now we're gonna water these, right?
That's right.
Okay, so my water jug is on. Now I forgot where I planted it, and I don't have much water.
Well, it's raining right now, so maybe we just put a little bit of water in each spot. There.
That one?
Yep. Go to the next one over there.
This one?
Yep.
What? Okay, since it's raining, I'm not gonna do all of those. Thanks for watching our garden video, and we planted watermelons. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.